In this video, I'm differentiating the natural logarithm of x. The question reads, find dy by dx if y equals ln x plus 5x squared. The first step is identifying the two terms. We've got two separate terms here, ln x and 5x squared. Because they're added together, we can differentiate each one separately. The second step is to differentiate ln x. For ln x, we use the standard result that you need to memorize. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So ln x becomes 1 over x. Step 3 is differentiate 5x squared. And for 5x squared, we use the power rule. And to use the power rule, you bring the power down and multiply. 5 times 2 gives us 10. Then reduce the power by 1. So x squared becomes x to the power 1, which is just x. 5x squared becomes 10x. Finally, we combine both results. Now we just put both parts back together. dy by dx equals 1 over x plus 10x. And that's the final answer to the question. In summary, the key idea here is that ln x differentiates to 1 over x, and everything else follows the power rule as normal.